Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super handy for 2025: how to pay someone using Google Wallet. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or sending money to family, Google Wallet makes it quick, secure, and straightforward. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tech tip. First things first, make sure you have the Google Wallet app installed on your phone. It's available for both Android and iOS devices, and it's free. If you don't have it yet, head to your App Store and download it now. Once that's done, open the app and sign in with your Google account. If you haven't set up a payment method, you'll need to add one, like your debit card, credit card, or even link your bank account. This is crucial for seamless transactions. Now, let's get to the fun part: sending money. Tap on the Send or Pay option in the app. You'll see a search bar where you can look up the person you're paying by their email, phone number, or Google contact. Once you select them, enter the amount you want to send. Don't forget to add a note, like, "For dinner last night," to make it clear what the payment is for. Before you hit send, double-check everything. Google Wallet will show you a summary of the transaction, including the amount, recipient, and any fees. If it looks good, confirm with your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID for security. Boom! The money is on its way. You'll get a confirmation notification, and so will the recipient. A quick tip for 2025: Google Wallet now has enhanced features like instant receipts and eco-friendly transaction tracking, so keep an eye out for those. Remember, always use secure networks and verify recipients to avoid scams. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and comment below if you have any questions. Stay tuned for more tech guides, and thanks for watching.